In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log time for recurring tasks automatically. If you've ever struggled with tracking time for tasks that happen over and over, then this video is for you. By the end, you'll know how to automate the process, save time, and make your workflow smoother. To kick things off, let me tell you, this isn't about manual logging or trying to remember every task you've done. We're going to use automation to make it happen without lifting a finger each time. It's simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's talk about setting up your recurring tasks in the software we'll be using. Most tools allow you to define a recurring task, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. You can usually specify the time, duration, and frequency. So, if you're working on a report every Monday morning, just set that up in your software's task list. No more manually creating the task every week. Now, here's where automation takes over. When you set up your recurring task, there's typically an option to add automatic time tracking. This is crucial. Instead of clicking a button to start a timer every time you start the task, the software will begin tracking the time the moment the task starts. This is key to logging time for recurring tasks automatically. Most software offers integration with other tools you might be using, like calendars, project management software, or even your time tracker. If you've synced everything up correctly, when the recurring task appears, it can trigger time logging automatically without you even having to open the app. Let me share a pro tip. Make sure to check if the software you're using has options for reminders or notifications for recurring tasks. These features will help you stay on track with your tasks while keeping time logs accurate, without having to constantly check in on them. But here's the best part. You can track your recurring tasks with different labels or tags, depending on what you're working on. Whether you're using the recurring task for personal or professional projects, you can organize and categorize the time logs as they happen. This helps when you need to break down the time spent on each task. If you've struggled to find the right software to make this work seamlessly, I've tested the most popular tools out there. And I've found one that works really well for automatically logging time for recurring tasks. And the best part is, I've got an exclusive free trial for you to follow along with if you want to try it out yourself. You'll find the link to that in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Quick recap, automating time logging for recurring tasks is all about setting up your tasks to repeat, activating automatic time tracking, and integrating with other tools. By using the right software, you'll save time and reduce errors in logging. Key takeaway. The key takeaway from this video is that automating your time tracking for recurring tasks is the best way to save time and stay organized. Set up your recurring tasks, enable automation, and enjoy stress-free time logging. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.